The Guppy from CRKT was designed by Lance Barber and Tom Stokes. It's a hard-working multi-tool with dozens of everyday uses. The adjustable wrench jaw opens to a 1/2 inch for light repair and assembly jobs. A high-carbon 2-inch stainless steel blade can be opened and closed easily using the blade slot. The removable bit carrier is a high-intensity LED light and has 2 locator posts and strong magnets to hold it securely to the Guppy's side. The removable bit and driver are held securely in place in the tail of the body. The stainless steel clip will hold the Guppy in your pocket or gear and can also be used as a money clip. The carabiner detent will open bottle caps and metal jar lids. The Guppy is a versatile multi-tool that is a convenient carry option for a variety of everyday tasks.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
To make it more easier, ROXANNE has to Fathom designed an innovative structure that can open tool parts with one hand. Even wearing a thick glove is also convenient. This two-way switch is the key to open and close. Flip it to unlock. The switch will completely lock it when the tool part fully open, safety and stable for operation. The little switch controls 7 major functions: can opener, pry bar, chisel, wire stripper, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Compared with other products on market, we've got something more. The plier can be easily opened with one hand, solve the inconvenience caused by two-hand operation. A perfect multi-tool for outdoor, automobile, and homeware. Also suitable for emergency situations.
This is the Schrade ST1N Tough Tool. The ST1N is a tremendously tough multi-tool offering a high-functioning arsenal of tools for performing a plethora of everyday tasks, both on the job and in the field. With components and handle crafted from 2 CR13 stainless steel, the ST1N is well suited to get you out of a pinch in a hurry. Hand fatigue is reduced by the spring-loaded 3-function pliers that reopen after each squeeze and feature a half-needle nose pliers, powerful standard pliers, and hardened wire cutters. The ST1N makes short work of any slicing, cutting, or carving tasks with the razor-sharp 3-inch fine-edge clip-point blade. A sturdy Phillips head driver to turn even the tightest of screws. Shaping, honing, and light rasping tasks are made easy via the 2-inch long fine grit file. Find an integrated bottle opener on the bottom of the fine grit file. Use the ridged flathead driver to turn larger screws and perform light prying tasks. Fold the flathead driver backwards to reveal a stout pair of heavy-duty shears that can be used for cutting everything from paper to animal hides and even clothing. When the ST1N is not in use, attach it to the inside of a pocket using the pocket clip, or carry on the belt via the included black molded polyester belt sheath. Designed for tough everyday use, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime, this is the Schrade ST1N Multi-Tool Tough Tool.
This is the MP600. Proven on the battlefield, it's the core member of the one-handed opening series of Gerber multi-tools relied on by the U.S. military. Built of hardy stainless steel, the MP600 opens smoothly with one hand, and its long pliers function precisely to grab and manipulate small objects in equally small spaces. It has a wire cutter and crimper, as well as built-in rulers that run along the handles. Flip open the handles to access the serrated blade, fine edge blade, Phillips driver, 3 separate sizes of flatheads, full-size file, lanyard ring, and can and bottle opener. Each of the components locks safely in place for heavy use. As with all of our military products, it's proudly built in Portland, Oregon. A true American icon, this is the MP600.
This is the Schrade ST1N 21-function multi-tool. one of two models in the ST1N Tough Tools series. This compact multi-tool is crafted from tough, corrosion-resistant 2CR13 stainless steel and is designed to offer you access to its assortment of implements with or without opening the plier head. Nail nicks provide a handy means of accessing many of the tools. Swivel each tool into position as needed for use. 4 of the tools, large screwdriver, heavy-duty field saw, dual-edge knife blade, and Phillips head screwdriver, lock when opened to provide increased safety and stability during use. To release, press down on the raise tool in the center with your thumb. This releases the locking mechanism, allowing you to fold the implement back into the handle. To access the needle nose and regular pliers, vise, and wire cutter, grip the bottom of each handle and swing open. To close, grip the handles and rotate them upwards. Other functions included in the ST1N are the cap lifter, can opener, scribe, awl, leather bore, metal file, wood file, measuring gauge, scraping blade, wire strippers, and lanyard attachment. A durable black nylon sheath protects the multi-tool. Slide the sheath over your belt or clip it to belt or gear. Designed with tactical, survival, and everyday situations in mind. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime.
More than a pocket knife, Leatherman is the first multi-tool ever made. You'll be hard-pressed to think of a job this tool can't do.
For a while, we were keeping a list of all of the uses for a Leatherman tool, and I think we stopped at a couple thousand.
And some uses you hope you never have a need for.
We've gotten a couple stories of Leatherman stopping bullets.
Ultra durable, compact, and, well, handy. Made in Oregon, Leatherman tools are sold in over 70 countries around the world. The Wave came out in 1996. It was the first Leatherman to have blades that could be accessed without opening the handles. The company goes through over 1,000 tons of American steel per year, more than 4 times the weight of the Statue of Liberty. Each individual piece, from the saw to the scissors, is made separately with precision engineering and then assembled into the handles. The handles are made first. Today, Leatherman makes over 15,000 tools a day, including their best-selling Wave. Now this Wave is ready to rescue any traveler, worker, or soldier.
We've received a couple of really heartfelt stories from soldiers abroad who have been in firefights, and their Leatherman multi-tool has stopped a bullet that would have otherwise killed them.
With countless different functions and the quality to last, the legend of Leatherman is just getting started.
This is the Suspension Next by Gerber. The Suspension Next takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the Suspension Next doesn't compromise on function with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file. Wire stripper, large flathead driver. Awl. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver. Cross driver. Partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hold. The Suspension Next is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.
This is the Real Avid Gun Tool Max. Packed with 37 precision-made tools designed to keep you in the field or on the range. A detachable pin punch rides on board for easy disassembly, paired with a built-in tap hammer for stubborn pins. There's a detachable pick for pulling cotter pins or cleaning gunk out of tight spaces. The 8/32 threaded receiver and post pivot from the handle and accept standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes. Flip open the scraper for scraping carbon from both flat and rounded surfaces. At the range or in your blind, use the choke tube wrench to swap out choke tubes on the fly. A magnetized 1/4-inch bit driver locks straight for fine adjustments, or at a 90-degree angle for added torque. Included are Torx, Phillips, flat, and Allen bits. An oversized flat blade flips from the handle for larger slots. Or there's a thin blade driver for adjusting scope windage and elevation. Plus 4 wrenches from 3/8 to 4 millimeters. There's a 3¼ drop point knife made from 440 stainless and a bottle opener for times out of the field. This rugged compact design has G10 non-slip grip plates and folds open into a heavy-duty combination needle nose pliers with an integrated carbide cutter. The Gun Tool Max lives in a MOLLE-compatible ballistic nylon sheath. The real Avid Gun Tool Max. If you're a serious hunter or shooter, this tool's got you covered.
Wherever life takes you, carry the perfect backup plan. The portable, versatile Talon by Tactica. Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multi-tool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.
Through the wastelands, through the highways.